Hello guys, so today we are going to work on a simple 3D sofa. So let's begin by using our cube, select it, then you scale it down, then you make it editable by clicking on the tool that I just clicked on it. So you select your edge, one of your edge, then you make it bevel. Bevel means not sharp, something a little round. So you select your edge, then you right click, then you look through the options and you select your bevel tool, then you right click on the surface area of the screen to make it bevel or to make it a little round. So that is what I just did. So we are starting with a sofa. So that is it. Let's keep watching. So I just finished with a bevel, and I'm gonna use another cube as well. So let's see what I'm doing. This one, I think we have to be observant because I'll not be talking much in this video. So if you have any comments or any questions or suggestions, you put it in the comment section, then we look at it. So I'm giving it a base. So I just picked the cube and scaled it down to the size of the sofa. So that is what I'm doing. I'm trying to make the two the same size. So I've converted that one to, and I'm trying to make the base round. So we go through the same process. You click on one of the edge, then you right click on the screen, then you go through the options. Then from there you can choose your bevel tool. So as you can see, it's very simple. I always say 3D is not something that is difficult. Just get your plan, get the exact thing you are doing, then you model it. So that is the sofa that I'm doing. Sometimes you go back and forth just to get what you want. So let's not rush. Let's just keep watching. So that is what I'm doing. I'm still working on the seat of the sofa. So as you can see, it's not that difficult. Yeah, just manipulating our cubes just to get the shape of our sofa. So what I'm doing now is trying to get the back of the sofa where you can lean on or you can rest your back. So that is what is happening over here. You convert that one to curves, sorry, or you make it editable. I'm used to Coral Draw and all of that. That's what I'm saying. You convert that one to curves. So you make it editable, then you bevel the edge to get a roundness, the round shape over there. So initially it was a sharp edge, but now as you can see, it's a little round. So what I'm doing now is rotating the back of the sofa so it will not be straight like it was. Okay, so what we are doing now is selecting all the elements in the scene so we can make it look like a double seater sofa. So let's go. So after selecting everything, you copy and paste it to the other side of the sofa, of the original sofa. So now it looks like a double seater sofa. As you can see, I'm rotating it. So what we've got into, what we want to do is uh, almost every sofa have this armrest. So that is what we're trying to do. And one thing that you need to know is when you are working in 3D, you don't use only one viewport. So that's why you can see I go to top view, I go to right view, and the front view. So let's go. So the reason why I'm doing all of this is making sure I get the exact positions of the objects in all the scenes. So that is it. So I think it's too thick, so trying to make it a little slim. So we continue by making it editable. Then we make the edge a little round. And what we are doing is, after making it editable, you select the edge, right click on the surface area or any of the surface area. Then you look for bevel in the options that you see. So after selecting the bevel, you click on the screen, then you drag anywhere, then you will see this feature over there. So those following, let's go. If you get, or if you are stuck on your way, let's hear you from the comment section. If you have anything to say, if you have any idea, if you want us to do any other thing, the next thing you want us to do, let's put it in the comment section and I'll tend to that. So at the moment we are copying the armrest to the other side of the sofa for it to look real. So that is it. I think it's looking good now. I don't know what you also think. So let's know what you think in the comment section. Okay, we are continuing what we are doing. Okay, so let's add a floor to it. It looks like it was hanging, so I just gave it a floor, trying to make it stand on the floor. So let's keep watching. After giving it a floor, what we need to do to make it a little more realistic is by adding light. And with the light, we have different types of light. It depends on what you are doing. So in this video, I want to use the simple light over there. So you can't just use the light without any manipulation. So we position the light at a good place and we give it a shadow. So we are using area shadow here. Let's render it and see. So this looks okay. Let's position it well so we can see what I'm talking about. So like as a beginner, if you are able to do something like this, then you are on a good path, and as time goes on you will do better than this. So this is the sofa that I want us to do today as beginners. So I hope those who are following, you are able to get something like this. Look at this. Is it not looking awesome?